Hey everybody, it's Stacy and Greg here with our unscripted keto lifestyle, and we are doing our week 11 and 8. 11 and 8.
Man, time flies.
Almost 3 months for you and 2 months for me. Review. Not review. Update. That's the word. Update.
Yeah. I guess we're still technically reviewing the keto diet.
And I am still in the process of taking my supplements after dinner and eating my, what is this? Lily's salted almond chocolate yumminess as a treat.
Eat the whole bar?
No, I had the other half of it a couple of nights ago when you were gone.
So you missed me and decided to sedate your missing with chocolate, huh?
No, I was just feeling super freaking snacky that night, and I don't know why.
It's probably because I didn't make her dinner. Yeah, what did you have for dinner while I was gone?
I had a sandwich with that.
A sandwich?
Yeah, with the fat bread and the turkey and cheese.
What kind of turkey?
Smoked. And it was good, and it filled me up for a while, but then I got kind of snacky later, so I ended up eating
Well, you owe me one.
Mooncheese. And
I just got my 4 carbs in.
half.
Boom.
Yeah.
I'm no longer a liar. Well, guys, at 11 weeks, I can say that I've lost 50 pounds.
Whoop whoop.
That's like a bag of salt or dog food.
Like,
This is one thing I wanted to talk about. So if you guys got any thoughts or comments on this, let me know. I have been dealing with a fair amount of dizziness lately. Now, I am fairly certain it's stress related, but we have some personal stuff that's kind of intermingling outside of us. So I've been even more diligent checking my blood pressure since I got back from my trip, just to see. And it's a little more elevated than what it had been, which is also conducive with stress, right? So I think it's probably that. But just to be safe, I picked up a couple additional electrolyte options because we switched magnesiums. We went to the higher grade magnesium, and Stacy's been reporting that she's been having more cramps, and
I don't call them cramps. They're it's just a deep pain.
She has a
in my legs.
Deep butt pain.
In my legs and my butt cheek.
Is it always the same butt cheek?
No, the last time it was the right side.
Taking turns.
So while he was gone, I woke up one night with this pain, and it's kind of hard to sleep through that.
Yeah.
So I had trouble sleeping, and I decided the next day I was going to take 3 of the magnesium pills. So I took 3. I had no problems. So then I went back to 2, woke up with the pain again. So tonight I took 3. So we'll see how that goes again.
So stress, electrolytes, we'll see. The other possibility is hydrated. Maybe I'm not drinking enough water or not eating enough food.
Well,
because my calorie
you were
count.
on a plane too. I mean, you weren't on it for a long time, but an hour and a half each way. So
Yeah.
planes dehydrate.
Well, I mean,
you.
They do.
I don't know. That's what I've read before. You get dehydrated on the plane because it's like recycled air and everybody's breathing it, and there's only so much. I don't know the sciencey
I think that's
stuff
consistent of being sick and possibly breathing in other people's cooties.
No, I don't know. There's
sure.
something about making sure you moisturize before you get on a plane and blah, blah, blah.
Oh, I moisturize every day. Possibility makes me think that it might be that I'm not drinking enough. Because, when I first started keto, there was a lot of that. Like, I would drink. I drink tea, I drink coffee, I drink tea, I drink coffee. And I've just been so busy with work and stuff that I just haven't been drinking as much. So today I've actually made an effort to drink more water. But the thing is if you drink more water and you're losing minerals, the waters are actually going to make you even more dehydrated, right? So you got to make sure you're getting the minerals in. Anyway, this is the 11-week keto issue that I've been dealing with. You got any issues you're dealing with? Other than the
fact that we have been sucking at planning stuff, and I've been like having a diet that consists greatly of cheese.
No, you've had that diet.
No, but like, so since we've gone to the intermittent fasting and the 2 meals a day, a lot of times what I've been doing the last few weeks for lunch is taking 8 cubes of Colby Jack cheese and maybe some almonds or one of those cookies that I was making.
Yeah.
And I'll do that with a Zip Fizz for
No
lunch.
wonder you got a pain in your ass. You're not getting any of those minerals in there. It also doesn't make a lot of sense to go to the store to buy stuff when you're not going to be there to cook for like 3 nights.
Yeah. And we ran out of eggs.
Yeah.
We haven't been to the store
Yeah.
in a while, and it's bad.
I've been to the store. I was in the store in Minnesota.
Yeah.
Went to a Whole Foods. Stacy hasn't been to a Whole Foods. She's a little
I've been
jealous.
in Whole Foods.
I have?
Massachusetts.
Oh, yeah. To get your peppermint stuff.
Yeah, for my headaches.
It's a completely different concept though now. Because then
Yeah.
you're like, stupid hippie store or whatever. I'm just going to get my peppermint stuff because the hippies know what they're doing. I'm gonna rub it on my back and I'm going to be fine.
No, it wasn't my bag. It's for my head.
Oh, right.
Lavender.
Was it no,
Lavender and peppermint.
lavender and peppermint.
It works. It
Yeah,
really does. If you have a headache, rub it on your temples. It works.
Well, you leave them a link till because the Whole Foods.
I have actually gotten it on Amazon too.
Yeah, because Whole Foods has an affiliate. Actually, when I checked out at Whole Foods, I was actually able to scan my Amazon card for their reward program.
Oh yeah. Issues with migraines this week, but I do believe it is very strongly related to the amount of stress.
Food. Her diet sucks, guys. How many of you guys want to see Stacy make dinner this coming week?
Do you want it to be burnt?
No, I want you to make it well.
You know I can't pay attention to that for that long. I don't have the patience for that.
You need to develop them.
I will find something
So
else
that way,
to do.
the next time that I'm gone, which happens occasionally, you don't have to eat smoked turkey. What'd
There
you
was
have for
not
dinner?
enough turkey to do that, and there was not enough bread left to do
we're
that.
out of smoked turkey?
Yes.
Oh, my goodness. I suppose you want me to make more bread then, too, huh?
Yes.
So we need to go to Trader Joe's this weekend to get some more macadamia nuts.
Yes.
What would she do without me, guys?
I wouldn't be successful on this diet, that's for sure.
No. Well, her diet would consist of pretzels and chips and... Same way I found her.
Yep.
In the ditch with chips and
I made
pretzels
some
and...
chicken every now and then.
You did?
Yes.
What kind of chicken?
Chicken in a pan with Italian dressing. It's the only chicken I know how to make.
So you marinated the chicken. Then you put it
No,
in
I
the pan?
just put the dressing in the pan and cooked the chicken in the pan. With the dressing.
Who taught you that?
Might have been my mom. I don't know. We used to make Italian chicken when I was a kid.
That's not
And
Italian
I
chicken.
probably... Because it was Italian dressing.
It's-
I probably forgot along the way how to actually do it, so I just improvised. Sorry, Mom.
Cindy Lou. We both love you. But if you taught her how to do it that way,
I don't think she did.
we need to talk. Well, the only reason it works
And you know,
is
actually,
because...
no, I remember because when I was younger, I learned how to do it, and she used to always want me to do it because she liked the way that I did it.
My parents just say that.
It was good. I've made it for you before.
No.
Yeah.
No, the only chicken you've ever
Back when
made
we
for me
first
is
started
ground
dating.
chicken with taco seasoning.
Taco ground chicken. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do
I
that.
don't know if it's mean. It's just she's so motivated to do it because she loves it
It's really good.
that she can focus on that.
No, it's one of those things I can walk away and do other things and come back.
Not as much. I mean, you kind of still got to stir it, otherwise it's just going to burn.
Yeah, but that keeps me like I'm doing something. I'm not sitting there like.
Oh yeah. I'm watching paint dry. You know, real cooking usually involves you doing stuff, unless you're baking or something. If you're sitting at a stovetop.
Yeah, but that's if you're cooking multiple things, and that's not my forte. Because eventually something will get forgotten about,
She'll see a squirrel.
and it will burn, and
Two
then the other
squirrels.
things will be good.
No, I don't think anything wins in the scenario because you'll be so pissed off that you burnt this that you'll forget about that, and then dinner over. Hey Morgan, let's order a pizza.
I was really good at ordering things.
Still
I
are.
made a mean box
Still
of mac
are.
and cheese too.
I see all the Amazon boxes that show up every day.
Oh no, those are yours. We passed over my update
Oh.
for weight because somebody was so wrapped up in his own.
Yeah, we didn't pass over it.
Yeah.
I skipped it.
Yep. So So anyway, he hit his milestone of 50. I passed the milestone of 25.
I passed mine too. I'm at actually 51.
I am at 30 now in 8 weeks.
8 weeks. I remember 8 weeks. Things were so easy then. So our end of the crappy dinners, I mean, we had steak tonight, but it wasn't great steak because
It was old.
it wasn't old.
I'm sure it already started turning brown.
Yes, parts of it were brown. It should have been frozen like a few days prior to me leaving, but it wasn't, and nobody knows how to cook except for me.
Well, I'm certainly not going to try and cook a steak.
Steak's like one of the easiest things to cook.
If it's one of the easiest things to cook, then why do I have a hard time with it at restaurants after eating yours?
Well, because it's not hard to cook a steak. It's hard to cook a steak right. Because, yeah, it's all about heat management.
Yep.
So anyway, guys, we're going to the store tomorrow, this weekend. And so we're thinking of doing a couple of cooking videos this coming week. I think we could probably do the fat bread that you like, the macadamia nut bread.
Not a bad idea.
We could do that, and maybe we'll show you the best way to cook some steaks. Because that's one of my favorites, personally.
And all of our friends really like it when he makes steak too.
So how was your guys this week? How did you guys do? Let us know.
Well, yeah, and I can
That's it.
I can make some green. I can make some mean
Oh, mean.
ground chicken.
Stacy has the challenge that she has to get involved again in the whole cooking process. Because sometimes she decides that she has activities at night that she wants to do.
Sorry, I'm doing some side hustles trying to get some more money.
Yeah, well, she doesn't make a lot of money that way, though. Unfortunately.
Wait.
Maybe when she loses a little bit more weight,
No.
she'll be more marketable.
Oh, Jesus.
We also have a roundabout. We don't even have corners around here.
You are such a pain in the ass.